Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We're looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame right now. And just so you know, today is an important day at 8 p.m. The weekly candle, the daily candle will close, but also at 6 p.m. Central Time, the CME will be opening and you will see some volatility because it's going to be opening for the new weekly candle. Be aware of volatility, okay? One thing we can see right now on the daily is that we are pushing off the 21. Looks like as soon as 8 o'clock hit, that 4-hour candle started pushing us down under the 9 EMA. The closing under the 9 EMA today at 13 hours is just going to give us more um of a clear path to the downside with least resistance, is what I would like to say. Looking at the 4-hour, as I was saying, the new 4-hour opened at 8 and it just started pushing down. And as we are coming to the close on this 4-hour, it is going down and down and down. Hopefully, we can close the 4-hour somewhat sideways here. And the new 4-hour can come and test the breakdown and see if we actually are going to reject from this EMAs or not. Like I said, on the 4-hour closing under these EMAs like this, not the sign of strength. Not the sign of strength. Our last level of support will be around this $19,000 level, and after that, we got 18.6 and 17.6 to look at. So let's see how it goes. Going to the daily on Bitcoin, sorry, on Ethereum, we are also pushing off to the downside off of this 9 EMA. I was telling everyone maybe we should just have some shorts hedged in case to the downside, and then downside when it comes, we'll take some longs, kind of playing out that way. We got this 1250 to $1,000 order block of support, so $250 of support over here. We'll see if we get a bounce. If not, we're gonna break through it and go to our lower levels like we've been looking for almost like 3 months now, right? June, July, August, September, October. Yeah, 5 months, man. I've been here consolidating for 6 months now. That's ridiculous. So yeah, I mean, say this was the low, well, you're getting an opportunity to buy near the low, and then if it comes back up this way to the W, you can obviously take all your profits here, here, and here. You got three levels. So yeah, that's another thing I wanted to point out. Going to the 4-hour on Ethereum, we can see that we are pushing off top, as we said, top EMA. And now if we close like this, it's gonna basically show that price action is still gonna have a little bit of room to the downside. Unfortunately, that's not what we want to see. We will have to watch the next 4-hour open and close to see what happens because maybe we'll get a little bit moved back up before CME. But only reason I say that is because right now Ethereum's at 1290. CME closed at 1332, so we should probably come back over here and then reject, okay, like 1330, 1350, and then reject. And then Bitcoin closed at 19.4, and Bitcoin's right now is 19.1. So we got $300 of wiggle room on Bitcoin as well. Give or take $100 for options premium. I mean, futures premium. All right. Another thing to look at today is Dixie. So when CME opens, we need to see, hey Dixie, are you gonna find support here on the 100 EMA and continue up to the 21 and higher? If Dixie does start, this right here is showing me strength of accumulation. If Dixie gets above this 55, which is around 140, and then closes 4 hours up there, you're gonna probably see it go retest this breakdown maybe like 1350-ish. And if it does get to that level, you're going to expect Bitcoin to pull back. And then when this tries to pull back, you'll see Bitcoin rise. If it doesn't stop at 1340 and it continues up to make this W all the way up, yeah, we're going to go to the downside on uh, Bitcoin. And that's going to be a very, very spooky Halloween if that happens, because the downside will be nasty and rough. And we don't know how low it will go. We have to wait and see. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, this is our targets on Dixie. I'll just share that with you. I'm expecting the pullback into the 110 area. If 110 doesn't come and we find the support at the 111, I'm okay with that. Taking this, we want to break above 112 and close, and it will consider it basically opportunity for us to go higher for finding the higher level of resistance. Once we break above this channel, you should expect that measured move. Something like that, and that is disgustingly ugly. Be expecting a move like this. And when this happens, you can all understand it's going to be much different times. Expecting it to go right into this level right here. Yeah, be ready for Dixie to come into 125 to 127. This will definitely spell the doom for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all tech stocks as this occurs. There is a special meeting for the Fed behind closed doors on Monday, October 3rd. What will they discuss? I don't know, but it's probably not going to be anything to your benefit. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I don't know what else to give you the heads up about. I'm going to be trading here and there live today, so feel free to join me on live and let's look at some stocks together, some crypto together. I did scalp along on Ethereum as we were watching this video. So I got it at 1290. So I got it like right on this bottom. And the only reason I did that, 1280 to 1290 are like levels that you should consider taking longs on. Kind of just took it a little bit prematurely, but let's see how it goes. I know I should have made for 250, but if this holds here, great. If we lose this 1280 level, I'll let myself take that loss and then rescoop it at 1240, 1250. But yeah, the head and shoulder that I had drawn out is literally playing out. And let's see where we end up. This measured move is done. And this measure is done. And we can just say EAP for that. All right, guys. Well, there you go. Have a great day. Be safe. Talk to you soon.